Guys, today we're making eggnog French toast. I love French toast. I have several recipes for French toast on this channel, which I will link below for you. But if you're an eggnog lover like I am, you can take that carton that you buy, or maybe you're making your own homemade and using it to make an awesome breakfast that you're gonna love. So, super simple recipe. I've got 2 eggs, which I'm going to whisk in this shallow dish. And now I'm using store-bought eggnog, like I mentioned, but you can use whatever you like. They even have dairy-free eggnog out there. So if you need a dairy-free recipe, this can be made dairy-free. And what I love about eggnog is that it's thicker. It already has a little bit of that cinnamon, nutmeg, spices in it. So it already has flavor that's gonna infuse into your French toast. Now, but I do like a little extra. So I'm adding just a pinch of nutmeg into my bowl because a little bit of extra, it's extra. Take a fork and let's whisk this mixture up. So now that our eggs and the eggnog have combined and the yolks and the whites are all mixed in there, we take our sliced bread. I'm using thicker brioche bread. It's a little sweeter. It's already gonna be amazing for French toast, but you can use Texas toast or sandwich bread or even thick French bread that you can slice crosswise and dip it in the egg mixture. So I simply just take it in there. You could even use gluten-free bread. So yes, you can make gluten-free French toast with this recipe. So in this shallow dish, I'm going to soak up my egg and eggnog mixture. And then I'm just going to flip it. The first side is just a little bit. And then the second side is where the liquid is going to seep up into your bread and soak through. I'm poking a few holes in my sliced bread to help the mixture seep through the bread and get absorbed in here. So I'm just prepped these first 2 slices, and in my large non-stick pan, I'm going to heat up a little bit of butter, but you could also spray it or use a griddle. Now this recipe makes enough for 4 slices, so you don't want to leave your first 2 so long that you don't have enough for your other ones, or your bread gets really soggy. So you want to kind of do enough where it soaks through and then turn them into your pan right away. So the first side is going to cook on medium-high heat for about a minute or 2, just enough to get a golden brown. And once that's achieved, I'm going to flip these French toast over. I'm going to lower my heat and cover it so the heat gets trapped inside of my pan and my French toast cooks through. And these smell amazing. I know they are ready because not only have they cooked through, but as you can see, the tops have a fluffy-like texture. So that's how you know your French toast, the liquid inside has cooked through, begins to kind of bubble up a little, just like this. And let's take these out. Now this eggnog French toast is awesome as is. You can, of course, use some maple syrup, pancake syrup, cinnamon syrup, like I have, or even if you're totally out but do have brown sugar in your pantry, go ahead and make my homemade syrup. I'll leave the links right below this video. So let's drizzle some over this so you and I get to enjoy this delicious French toast together. Feels like a treat, but not quite for breakfast. Kind of like my Clean Treats cookbook, which I will also link right below this video for you. Check this out. So good, you're gonna love this. Make sure you check the details below this video along with that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.